we're going to watch Margherita make cavati with verdure della primavera. It's a mixture of artichokes and peas and broad beans, and it's absolutely delicious.
Io mi chiamo Margherita Chiaramonte e oggi voglio preparare la pasta con le verdure, le preselli, gli asparagi, le fave e la ricotta, perché mi piace a me cucinare.
Margherita lives near Modica in Sicily. She is helped by her son chef Carmelo and granddaughter Carla. They make dough with semolina flour, warm water and salt. Carla helps with the kneading. Margherita has developed a theatrical style of kneading the dough.
Con questo battito che fa la pasta diventa più buona, capito?
Once the pasta is smooth and soft, Margherita rolls it out. Carmelo keeps it well floured. When the dough is about half a centimetre thick, Margherita slices it into wide strips. She places one on top of the other and makes battens. Carmelo gets to work making the cavati or cavatelli. He is using 3 fingers to press and drag the pasta across the board to make a shape which looks like an empty bean pod. Pasta making is a family task.
Sono stati classificati un sacco di nomi, ma le forme non si conoscono. Che comunque l'alimentazione.
Margherita and Carmelo prepare a mixture of spring vegetables: peas, fava or broad beans, asparagus, artichokes and leeks. Carmelo makes a stock from the pods and vegetable trimmings. He strains the stock and adds the chopped up vegetables. These are stewed in the stock for maximum flavour. Margherita cooks the pasta in plenty of boiling salted water for about 5 minutes.
Ora mettiamo la ricotta.
Schiacciata.
She mashes some ricotta with a little olive oil and then mixes in the vegetables with some stock to make it a little bit saucy. Carla adds some Parmigiano. Margherita enjoys her lunchtime glass of wine. Carmelo adds the pasta to the ricotta mix with some more vegetables. The extra virgin olive oil is a finishing flavour along with some Parmigiano cheese.
È pronta per mangiare. È un buon pranzo.
Buon appetito! Click on the subscribe button for regular helpings of Pasta Grannies.